Hey, Mikkel here. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make coaches stand out and make people think they are the very best in their niche. If you don't know me, I've built a company with my business partner Christian, where we help coaches completely automate their client acquisition with reliable systems, because we don't think coaches should be spending their time on outreach. Now, if you can see, I have some bullet points down here. I'll talk about those. So, how to make you stand out as a coach in your niche. There are a couple of things. First of all, don't do monkey see, monkey do. If you see some other coaches in your niche do a video about, let's say, their meal plan, then don't go over and copy their meal plan and then post it yourself and explain that it's yours. First of all, it's dishonest, and you don't know the exact reason why his meal plan is like that. The best thing is for you to do your own stuff. So if you want to make a meal plan video or something, then make your own meal plan and then post it, instead of doing the good old monkey see, monkey do. Even then, when people post their meal plan, it's best you don't, because then it just seems you're going to follow all kinds of trends. Trends, they can boost your engagement, viewerships in the short term. But in the long term, the best thing you can do is just bring enough value in your videos, in your shorts. With value, enough of it, then your videos will be watched almost forever. Because if there is enough value in the videos, they are always going to be relevant. They will be relevant until someone else makes such a video where he brings more value to the table. So if you just focus on actually bringing value to the table, then trends or even monkey see, monkey do isn't worth it. Value is the most important thing. Of course, sometimes you can see what others do, see their engagement, and then give it your own twist. Don't just copy-paste. The best thing you can do, or the easiest thing you can do, is look at what other people do, give it your own twist, and then post. Because if you just copy exactly what they do, then sorry about my language, why should they watch your content instead of others? You have to make yourself stand out as unique. Yes. And if you're already fallen for the monkey see, monkey do, then of course it's never too late to escape from the rabbit hole. You just have to stop actually doing the monkey see, monkey do. Just make your own unique content. I know it can be hard sometimes getting the ideas and stuff, but as I said before, you can watch someone else's idea and then give it your own twist. Give it a couple of twists. Just make it seem like you don't copy them. Let me quote Picasso here. Great artists copy. Good artists copy, great artists steal. Now, I'm not saying you have to steal. but make it seem like you had the own idea yourself. What I'm trying to say is just don't copy. Don't copy paste shit. It doesn't work very well in these kind of situations. Yeah, you're going to get some growth, but if you want consistent growth and exponential growth, then the very best thing you can do, as I said before, is just be unique, be yourself, and of course bring enough value to the table. Yeah. Another way to stand out as unique is have a theme around your social media profiles. Themes are so that people will actually recognize that it's you even before they hear or even see you. So they'll recognize, oh, it's that color of red or something, and then they'll know exactly who made the content. They'll know it is you before they even see you. With themes throughout your social media profiles, they can see you on one profile. Let's say, for example, they can see you on TikTok, and then they go over to Instagram, and then they see you there. What do you think they are going to do? They'll recognize it. The more people see such themes and such themes and recognize it, the more they are likely to follow. Because what we want to do as people is, when we see a lot of things, human mentality is bigger number, better person. So if you recognize more of the videos, then that's just great. They'll begin to follow it. And also, if they get the videos, then it's likely content that is recommended for them by the social media algorithms. And if the algorithms recommend them it on multiple different social media, then maybe they'll do something about it. And let's just say, for example, in a crowd of people, let's say there are 100 normal people, just casual t-shirts, sweatpants, something like that. And then there's just this one guy, one business guy in a suit, tie, suitcase, everything. Who do you think they will be most interested in? Do you think it's one of the 99 that look alike? Or do you think it's that one business guy who looks extremely professional and seems like he actually knows his stuff? I can already say it's the one business guy. He stands out simply because he is more professional. He has a theme throughout everything. Another way to stand out is simply being consistent and bringing enough value to the table. If you do both at the same time, then you'll seem like the most professional. And if you have the theme throughout your social media profiles, it will actually seem like you know your shit. You know exactly what you are talking about, instead of just simply doing the good old guess or just bullshitting your way. They will know that you are a professional in your field. They'll know that trusting you is a good thing. Then you are also more likely to actually close clients, because already in their mind they know you are extremely professional. You know your stuff. You know your way around. Even just getting easier sales, even then it's worth it. Just being consistent and actually bringing the value. Imagine, it also helps client acquisition. It helps with everything, consistency and value. Because of the consistency, then people have more to watch, or more. They know exactly when you upload stuff and know exactly when they can watch it. And they know that you always bring value to the table, so they are much more likely to follow you. And maybe even book a call with you. And a quick and easy way to stand out is, as stated before, just begin to be consistent with your uploads, posts, Instagram stories, everything, and bring value to the table. Maybe even, as stated before, have the theme around everything. So your social medias will be able to instantly recognize that it's you. And one of my business friends, who also helps people get appointments through social media, he made one guy go from 1.5k followers to 23k followers in just 2 months, just by getting her to consistently upload and bringing value to the table, and also setting up the social medias correctly with funnels and everything. Just imagine, that could be you too. Imagine how many more bookings she's getting. Imagine how many more people she can help. And I know the power of consistency and value. Consistency is like an exponent. If you are consistent enough, then everything will grow exponentially. But if you don't bring the value also, then you remove the exponent. But if you also bring the value, then it's an exponent in the exponent. Then it will just go crazy. The most important thing to actually stand out as a coach and seem like the very best in your niche is exactly that: consistency and value in your posts, reels and such. If you are consistent and bring the value, then you will seem like the very best, because you share your knowledge with people. You share the very important things. You share freebies every single, let's say you post a reel every single day. Then every single day you'll share an important piece of knowledge with your followers. Just a little snippet of what they will actually get from buying your service. Then more people are also going to buy from you, because they know a little bit about what it actually is. And the more you talk about it in your videos, and the more value you give out for free, it isn't for free, it's for the attention, but you get what I mean, the better it is. Because people love knowledge. And as Tai Lopez has said, couple of years back, it's probably more like 10 soon. Knowledge is power. With the knowledge you have, with just being consistent, and as said before, the knowledge, and you put that knowledge into your post, reels and such, and actually make it seem professional, have the theme throughout everything, I will guarantee with confidence that you will grow so much bigger and you'll get so many more appointments. Yeah. So we have reached the end of the video. If you are a coach struggling with appointment booking or such things, then there's a link in the first link in this description is for that. If you click it or not, it doesn't really matter much to me, but it might be able to help you. Now, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, like the video. If you want to see more of these kinds of videos, subscribe. Have a great day.